Hello everyone, very good evening. Welcome to Trade with CG. I'm here to discuss about what happened in the market today, Nifty and Bank Nifty levels, as well as how the market might perform tomorrow and in the next upcoming days, what will be the opening of tomorrow morning. So let's start our analysis. So today, let's start with how the market behaved today. You can see in the chart that it's a 15-minute time frame of Bank Nifty chart where market open a gap up. In the first half, market showed some kind of a good rally. Okay, and in the second half after 12 p.m. market was showing some kind of resistance. Looks like market got tired, and in the last 30 minutes, somewhere around 200 points of sell-off was seen in Bank Nifty chart. So what's next? So basically, I have always said that whenever there will be uptrend, a good uptrend should always be a kind of retracement. It should be having a kind of retracement or a pullback. Okay, so as you see here that yeah, first half was a good market, but in the second half, what I'm seeing here, it was some kind of a sideways market. Okay, so you can see a sideways market in the second half, as well as for tomorrow's market, I'm expecting a kind of a gap down. A gap down. Why? Because for me, market should come around 41,170 to 41,200 level for a good healthy buying for upside. Okay, so a kind of here, a kind of uh, uh, if we see if we calculate from the closing of today's market, around 200 point plus gap down I'm expecting at least tomorrow morning. It might be wrong, but let's see how the market will open in Bank Nifty. So let's coming back to the higher time frame. In higher time frame also, it looks like a W pattern where the W got a breakout pattern and it is coming for a retracement. And this orange line is like a 50 moving average, which is near also our opening area. So in higher time frame, I'm expecting the same thing. It should come down, test our 50 EMA, or at least test around today's low, that is today's open, and if market is finding some kind of support, then again it will go for a bull rally. Now coming back to Nifty chart, yeah, same case in Nifty also. Here you can see first half was very good, and in the last 30 minutes again there was some kind of selling in the market around 100 points in Nifty. But what next? So this is a gap in Nifty at least 50% around 17,700. I am expecting that Nifty should open at this level. Nifty today took a support of 50 moving average, but if Bank Nifty is going to open a gap down, then this might be broken. Okay, and if you draw one major line from this point to this point, let me connect the coordinates. Yes, from this low, and if you make this up, then somewhere around I'm expecting Nifty to open 17,700 at this level. It will find some support, then it will go up again. And if Nifty is not finding any kind of support, then there should be a breakdown of a trend line and it will go down again. Okay, so this is for Nifty chart. And coming back to higher time frame in Nifty, you can see that in Nifty there is some kind of a pattern called symmetrical triangle. Some people will say it's a symmetrical triangle. Some people will say it's a inverted head and shoulder pattern that is not completely make. Okay, some will say it's a cup. So it's depend upon the people's perspective how they are seeing the chart. But according to me, it looks like uh, a kind of uh, inverted head and shoulder pattern that is not made completely. Okay, So for a proper buying of Nifty, that should be above 17,920. If market is going above this level, then again we can see some kind of short covering till 18,090 level. Okay, not before that, not in between of 17,920 to 17,820. These are some 100 points, a margin of Nifty where that should, where we can avoid the trade in Nifty. Okay, a fresh breakout should always above 17,920 level. And let's see in Bank Nifty also. We have not discussed about Bank Nifty breakout level. So in Bank Nifty breakout level, that's what I'm first saying. If we see the breakout level, then it will be a very far for today's day high. But in upcoming days, for a breakout level, that should be around 41,580. So if market is going above 41,580, then we can see again one couple of round of short covering in Bank Nifty. So basically, that's all for today. If you have any doubts, you can ping me in the comment. You can follow me in Telegram channel. I have one Telegram channel where I'm sharing my post, my Telegram charts, sorry, my stock charts, which might perform in upcoming days. Like today, I have shared about Dr. Reddy for today's session, and you can see, just a minute. So I have shared people to buy a Dr. Reddy call option of 44,100 call options somewhere around 10:30 around 99 level to 95 rupees, and my target was around 117. Okay, that level I have shared. Okay, and the option premium went somewhere around 160 plus. That's how the market is behaving. Okay, so if you know how to choose a stock that I have shared you in my last video, you just, so if you are new to my channel, first you do one thing: support me by subscribing my channel, and try to see my like last video, which I have totally uh, taught you people, teach you people that how to set a stock. That method I always used to do before entering any trade. So to trade today in Dr. Reddy, I have seen yesterday like the movement of Dr. Reddy, and I have said the same thing in the Telegram channel also, that Dr. Reddy is looking great to me, and it went nicely up. Like that, if you do, and if you select a stock according to my way, then definitely by your practice you can go, you can have a good technique. Okay, so kindly like, subscribe my channel, follow me in Telegram. For any updates, you can text me. I'm there to help you out. Thank you guys, and have a good day.